How to see bio on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Instagram bio is a short text that you write in your profile that best describes you or any message that you want for people when they see your account to see. So, in order to do so, simply go to your Instagram and then tap on the profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then, as you can see in this account, in the bio is simply hello. And if you want to change it, what you will have to do is go to edit profile. Now you will see an option of bio. So, as you can see, you can have 150 characters in your bio and including a space. A space is also counted as a character here, so make sure you write your bio within 150 characters. So let me just write some basic things. Come to my account. As you can see, I have not exceeded my characters and simply set on tick. Now when you go back to your account, you will see an option of you will see the bio has been changed and it's welcome to my account, and previously it was hello. So if you want to see other people's bio, the process is same. Just tap on your profile icon and then all these text are their bio. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.